Stay with us, Mr. Meena. We have Kiran Bedi also joining us now live, former Lieutenant Governor Puducherry. Kiran Bedi, thank you for being with us today on NewsX. What do you make of this order that has been pronounced in this RG car case, ma'am?
The order of conviction?
No, the order of conviction came yesterday, ma'am. Today, the sentence that has been pronounced.
What is the sentence?
Ma'am, the sentence is that death penalty has not been pronounced by the judge. The judge said that this doesn't fit in the rarest of rare according to him, which is why he's announced life imprisonment for the accused.
Well, that's the judge's view. But first of all, let's say we're grateful that he expedited the case. He gave an expeditious judgment. I think that's a very plus point. And I think we need to understand as media and as people, what is it that made him do it so fast? Because normally, such cases take a long time. But in this case, he's been pretty expeditious. Has the new laws of procedure in the Penal Code and Criminal Procedure and Evidence Act helped him? I think it needs to be, first of all, studied and understood, number one. Number two, whether this case demanded death penalty or life imprisonment for life, I think it's certainly his view, but I think they couldn't have been more brutal case than this, which actually should have had a hanging. But the question is, it's up to the judge. You can't help it. It's his view.
Yes, Kiran Bedi, also, the fact is that in this particular case, we are seeing that the family of the victim is very disappointed. Also, in fact, some protests broke out outside the court. People not satisfied with this not being, put as a rarest of rare case. They wanted death penalty for the accused, but also said that, the investigation left more to be desired. They are saying that perhaps more people should have also been booked apart from just this one sole accused.
That's another point, sir. I think you are on third point. First of all, I think we need to be grateful that he's expedited the whole process. Two, how well did he use the new laws? Did he? If he used the new laws, did he do that? And I think that's another lesson to be learned. Third, he's not done death penalty. This is entirely his subjective view. Because the fact that he expedited it and now not given him death penalty is certainly answering his own conscience and the evidence before him. But there couldn't have been more evidence than this. It was an open and shut case as far as the man Roy is concerned. Now, what about the others? That depends on what is the evidence before the honorable judge in this case, and none of us, you and I, don't know it. Only he has access to that kind of evidence.
Yes. Also, Kiran Bedi, as far as this particular case is concerned, as you're saying, it should be appreciated how this trial was fast-tracked in this particular matter, how the judgment has come out in a very short period of time since this crime was conducted and outraged many, of course, was committed rather, and outraged many, of course, in Kolkata and across the country. But as far as this particular case is concerned, do you see fit grounds for an appeal?
Well, it is a fit case for appeal, I think, because this case did on all full merits, demanded a exemplary punishment. And it is one of the rarest of the rare. The way he jumped on the sleeping doctor and the way he did it so brutally can't be more brutal than this. I don't know. A case can be more brutal than this. What else do you expect from this man? So rather than keeping him alive and being in the prisons for life, over a period maybe benefiting by paroles, etc., etc. But I think, to my mind, individually, I think it is a rarest of the rare, and I think it's appealable. It ought to be appealed.
All right. Kiran Bedi, appreciate you joining us.